Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this effect. This effect is looking perfect. You see, I really like it. Let's see how we can create that. At first, we need to add the picture. The picture is something that you can download from everywhere, and I downloaded that. The most simple thing is that how this picture is going to look like something like that. How we can create this effect? Okay, for that, you must remember that the text are simply going to be there. And you see these are not shapes. So how I create this effect? That's a little trick I'm going to share with you. It's an easy trick. You need to create a copy of your shape. You see I create a copy of that. And after that, you paste this to text here. Then the most important thing is that you need to crop the picture to the size you want. From here to here, for example. And here to here. You see, we crop both pictures. No, I didn't copy picture. Let's copy another picture, send it to back, and then I need to crop it also to that size. You see, the cropping is doing great. Then have the picture to picture and without crop, and then set the transition to morph. Now let's take a look. It's pretty awesome, I think, and I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.